amazing baking business Canva video tutorial. This video is gonna be focusing on adding more pages, adding more transitions and animations to our amazing baking business video. I hope you can like and sub before we start the video so that at 100 subs I'm going to do a really prestigious video, and I'm also going to do a Discord server to make sure that everybody can suggest what videos they want about, and it's going to be really fun. So I hope you can like and sub. Let's get started. We have our video here. Let's just review it first. Okay, so let's just upscale the slides yet, so we can just drag this audio, and we can animate these. Let's animate the sugar pack. You press on something and then you press animate, and then you can choose whatever you want and hover on them if you want to know how they'll look like. I think stomp is good. And we can also animate this, and if you want to create your own animation, press on create an animation at the top and hold shift while dragging. So hold shift and drag it like that, and then a line will come, and then if you do this, it'll show you what you did, but I prefer just doing a self-created one. Neon. So that looks good, and we can also add a transition. If you hover in between of the pages, you can press add transition and put any you want. Oh yeah, I like color wipe because it just wipes everything, and you can also change the direction and the color if it's going up. I think going down looks better. Let's change the color to white. That we can do blue, and for brown we can do black. Yeah, that looks good. So now apply between, no, not apply between all pages. Oh, oops. Okay, so now it looks good. Let's just start it from over here. 3, 2, 1, go. And apply. Okay, so that looks good. Now let's focus on transitions for these. So we can add in the middle a transition, and we can do slide, dissolve. How's dissolve? Ooh, dissolve looks good. Okay, let's see. Okay, now we can apply the dissolve between all the pages except these. And this can be line wide. Okay, now let's see it. And now we're focusing on titles now. So on this, let's write pictures at the top. Press onto text. Like I said, they have pre-made texts for you. I think glow looks good. Press on glow and just write, you can write pictures. And if it's in 2 lines but you want it in 1 line, you can drag it from the sides and it should come up. And you can also change the color. Now it's white, but if it depends what color you want yours to be. If your color theme is blue, like this, you can change it to blue, but I think let's just stick with white now. And I want to teach you one more thing. There's also effects tab. So if you press on effects, you can effect the thing. So if you press shadow, you see there's a gray right behind the shadow. Lift, you can't see it because the lift is black, but the background is black. Hollow is like, ooh, this actually looks pretty good. And for each effect, you can change the thickness. I think pink is good. There's also splice, which I don't like a lot. That looks good. Outline, which is just an outline. You can change the color. So if the thing is black, you can make it red, and the outline will be red, but it doesn't look very good. Neon is what it is, like neon. Glitch is like a bit of pinkish and bluish. Echo is like just going down and out. Like when you echo, it goes like echo, echo, echo. And color, background. You can change the color of the background, which is basically like the color of the background. I like it. I'm just gonna go stick with hollow. And the curve, like if you want it like straight or curved. I want it straight. And we can just center this a bit. There we go. And now let's add a page. We can add, let's do look at the credits. For now, let's add a subheading and add designing by, and you can like names. I'm just gonna put Jack, Jana, Mark, Rosie. And then when you're done, etc., etc., just put it in the middle. It should line up. And now you can also change the color. If you want to change the color of the background, press on the thing you want to change, and there should be a background color at the top. And if you want to add a picture as the background, scroll down, and there should be a background option at the bottom. Again, and I said in the previous video, if you don't have it, press on apps. It's gonna load, and then more from Canva. Over here, background should come. It's not coming from me because I already have it. Background, and then you can change the color. Like if I put this, it's gonna. Oh, that actually looks good. I'll just change the color like this. Yeah, and you can also change the color to the gradient, like blue, white. So that's all for like today. Let's just see it one more from the top. Okay, so that's the whole thing. Some videos have like a watermark. Like if you want to remove watermarks, you want to purchase premium Canva Pro, but like it's not necessary. You can also do this if you want. Install it over here. It should come. So yeah, I know what you're thinking. It looks amazing, and like that's the end of this tutorial. I don't want it to be too long because like it's otherwise gonna be really boring for you. But yeah, I really hope you like and sub, and have a good day.